Hello my students, how are you? Now we will complete the questions about proportion. Question number 10, 3 over 4. Question over number 10. 3 over 4 equal 12 over n. Then n equal what? We can find the result about this unknown number by multiplication. We know 3 convert to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 equal 12. Then 4 multiplied 4 equals 16. Then n will be 16. Question 11. 12 over 14 equal n over 28. We know 14 multiplied by 2 equal 24. Then 12 multiplied by 2 equal 24. Then equal 24. Question 12. 16 over n equal 4 over 5. We know 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. Then 4 multiplied by 5 equal 20. Then n equal 20. Question 13. n over 15 equal 6 over 10. We can find the result by multiplication. The extremes was 6 and 15. We know the product of extremes equals the product of means. Or you can find the result by simplest this fraction. 6 over 10, we can divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Look at here, 5 will be 15 by multiply 3. Then 3 will be 9 because 3 times 3 equal 9. Again, in this example, we have 6 over 10. It wasn't in the simplest form, so we must convert this fraction to simplest form by dividing by 2 numerator and denominator, because we have even number. 6 divided by 2 equal 3, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then this fraction will be n over 15. We must know this unknown number. Ask yourself, 5 convert to 15 by multiply what? Multiply 3. Then 3 multiply 3 equal what? Equal 9. Then n will be 9. N will be 9. What about question 14? What? Now we will solve question number 14. Question 14, half equal 2 and half over n. Who can solve it? We know 1 convert to 2 and half, so 2 multiply 1 equal 2, and 2 and half multiply 1 equal 2 and half. So 2, we must convert it by multiplication to 2 and half. We know 2 and half, we can convert it from mixed number to improper. 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. So 2 multiply 5 over 2 equal 5. Okay, then the result will be 5. We have another method about this example. Look at here, another method, half equal 2 and half over n. We can write here, the product of extremes equal the product of means. Then n equal 2 multiply 2 and half over 1. Again, n equal 2 multiply 2 and half over 1. 2 and half equal 5 over 2. Then 2 multiply 2.5. We know 2 and half it equal 2.5. 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and the carry of 1. 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Then the result will be 5. N will be 5. It was question 14. And what about question 15? 1 over 8 equal 1 and 1 over 8 over n. We can find the result at n equal 8 multiply 1 and 1 over 8 over 1. 8 multiply by, we can convert from mixed number to improper. Write it here. 1 times 8 equal 8, 8 plus 1 equal 9. 8 divided by 8 equal 1, 1 times 9 equal 9. N equal 9. What about question 16? Question 16. 2 1/4 over n equal 1/4. So n will be 4 multiplied by 2 and 4 over 1, because the product of extremes equals the product of means. You know these properties? Okay, so we can find the result. N equal 4 multiply 2 and 4, so write 4 here. 2 times 4 equal 8, 8 plus 1 equal 9. 4 divided by 4 equal 1, 1 times 9 equal 9, then n will be 9. Question 17. n over 2 equal 10 over 1, then equal 2 times 10 equal 20. 20 divided by 1 equal 20. Question 18. n over 0.72 equal 5 over 8, then equal what? Equal 5 multiplied by 0.72 over 8. We can simplify it. How? We know 27 divided by 8 equal 9. 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 27 divided by 8 equal 9. And the point after 2 digits. So the result will be 900 times 5. 5 times 9 equal 45. And the point after 2 digits. So the result will be 4500. 4500. Okay? To ask question 28. What about question 19. Question 19. 3 over 7 equal n over 91 hundredths. We can solve it. The example about the product of extremes equals the product of means. Then equal what? 3 multiplied by 91 hundredths over by 7. We know 91 can divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 9 divided by 7 equal 1. And the remainder 2. 21 divided by 7 equal 3. And the point after 2 digits. So the result will be 13 hundredths. You can find the result. 3 multiplied 13 hundredths. 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 1 equal 3. And write 0 here. So the result will be 39 hundredths. Question 20. Question number 20. 0.6 over n equal 54 over 99. Then equal what? The product of extremes equal the product of means. 99 multiplied by 0.6 over 54. We know 6 divided by 6 equal 1, and the point after 1 digit, for the result will be 100. 1 tenth. Okay, again 6 tenths divided by 6 equal 1 tenth, and 54 divided by 6 equal 9, and 99 divided by 9 equal 11. 11 times the tenths equal 1.1. The point after 1 digit. 11 times 1 equal 11, and the point after 1 digit. So the result will be 1.1. Question 21. Question 21. Look with me about the example. 0.2 over 0.9 equal n over 72. We can solve it. The product of means equals the product of extremes. Then n equal 0.2 multiply 72 over 19. We can multiply 10 to cancel this point here. Okay, so the result will be 2 multiply 72 over 9. We multiply 10, numerator and numerator, to cancel this point. 72 divided by 9 equal 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. So the result will be 16. It was question 21. What about question 22? 22. 2 with cheese over 6 with cheese equal 4 sandwich over n sandwich. We can write 2 over 6 equal 4 over n. Then n equal 4 multiply 6 over 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. Question 23. 1 box over 3 boxes over 1 over 3 equal 16 over n. Then equal n equal 3 times 16 over 1. 3 times 16 over 1. 3 times 6 equal 18. 8 and carry 1. 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4. Then the result will be 48. Okay, question 24. Question 24. If 2 apples cost 40 count, how much will 4 apples cost? We know 2 cost 4 count. How much will apples 4 cost? 4 apples will cost 1. We can find the result. This number will be x, such that x is the cost about 4 apples. 4 times 4 multiplied by 2. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Okay, so the cost will be 8 count. Question 25. If 3 oranges cost 75 count, how many oranges could you pay for 25 count? How many oranges you can pay for 25 count? We will write x here. X equal 3 multiply 25 over 75. We know 25 divided 25 equal 1. 75 divided by 25 equal 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. So we can pay for 25 count. How many orange? 1 orange cost. 1 orange.